Hello everyone. Here's a standalone introduction to a new feature of our AI script generator, designed for use in the animation creation process. This feature allows you to quickly generate A-roll scripts, B-roll scripts, or scripts for children's stories and visual novels based on the themes you input. Key highlights of this feature include 1. Smart generation and customization. Automatically generates content based on your specified target duration. Supports multiple output languages, including English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, and more. Offers flexible timeline customization for enriched scripting. 2. Knowledge base expansion. Supports the addition of extra knowledge bases, with sources ranging from website links to YouTube content. When you need scripts tailored to specific themes in your target language, this functionality is incredibly fast and simple to use. We invite you to try out this exciting new feature.